Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a problem we all face, that deep lingering tiredness that just won't quit. If you're always exhausted, even after a full night's sleep, you're not alone. We're skipping the quick fixes and sugary drinks. Let's talk about real, natural energy boosters that actually work. It's about reclaiming your spark and giving your body what it truly needs. With a few simple changes, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. So grab some water, get comfortable, and let's dive into natural ways to boost your energy. Let's get started. First up, let's delve into the world of ashwagandha. This incredible herb has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. We're going to explore its benefits, how it works, and why it might be the natural energy solution you've been searching for. Ashwagandha is a powerful herb used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, the traditional system of medicine from India. It's revered for its ability to promote overall well-being and longevity. Think of it as a time-tested remedy, passed down through generations for its remarkable healing properties. It's an adaptogen, a class of herbs known for their unique ability to help the body resist stressors of all kinds, whether physical, chemical, or biological, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and restore balance. It essentially acts as a buffer, helping you navigate the daily challenges without feeling completely overwhelmed. It's like having a personal stress coach working from within. Stress is a huge energy drain, constantly depleting your reserves and leaving you feeling exhausted. Stress is like a runaway train, keeping your body in constant overdrive. This chronic state of alert can wreak havoc on your energy levels, sleep patterns, and overall health. Ashwagandha helps regulate your stress response, acting as a natural modulator to bring things back into equilibrium. By managing your stress hormones, ashwagandha ensures you're not always running on empty. It helps you conserve energy, so you have more to dedicate to the things you enjoy. Instead of a quick jolt like caffeine, which provides a temporary surge followed by a crash, it works deeper, addressing the underlying causes of fatigue and low energy. Ashwagandha is a gentle and sustained source of vitality, supporting your nervous system and helping you feel calm and steady throughout the day. It promotes a sense of inner peace and resilience. When your stress hormones are balanced, thanks to the support of ashwagandha, you sleep better and wake up truly refreshed, ready to tackle the day ahead. Quality sleep is essential for energy production and overall well-being. It's not a miracle overnight fix promising instant results, but a gentle, natural way to build lasting energy and vitality over time. It's about nurturing your body's innate ability to heal and thrive. You can find ashwagandha in powders, perfect for adding to smoothies or mixing with water, capsules, a convenient and easy way to incorporate it into your daily routine, or tinctures. Just choose what fits your routine and lifestyle best. Experiment to find the form that works best for you. Science backs it up. The benefits of ashwagandha are not just anecdotal. Studies show ashwagandha can reduce anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and well-being, improve focus, enhancing cognitive function and mental clarity, and fight fatigue by tackling stress at its root, addressing the underlying imbalances that drain your energy. Unlike sugar or caffeine, which offer a fleeting boost followed by a crash, it supports your body's natural resilience, helping you adapt and thrive in the face of stress. Think of it as a wise friend, offering gentle guidance and support, helping you bend, not break, when life gets tough, fostering resilience and adaptability. The best part? It's all natural, straight from the earth, a gift from nature to support your well-being. If you're tired of quick fixes that leave you feeling depleted, consider what your body really needs: support, not just stimulation. Ashwagandha offers a holistic approach to energy and well-being. Ashwagandha honors the mind-body connection, recognizing the intricate relationship between your mental and physical health. It helps you find real balance, promoting harmony and equilibrium within your entire system. Making it part of your daily ritual, whether it's in your morning smoothie or as a bedtime capsule, is a small act of self-care that can ripple through your whole day, setting a positive tone and promoting sustained energy. Have you tried ashwagandha? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how it's impacted your energy levels and overall well-being. Imagine waking up energized, feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the day, moving through your day with ease, accomplishing tasks with focus and clarity, and having the vitality to do what you love, pursuing your passions with enthusiasm and joy. That's the promise of working with your body, not against it, supporting its natural processes and rhythms. It's about thriving, not just surviving, experiencing life to the fullest with vibrant energy and well-being. Let's explore these natural paths to energy together, empowering ourselves with knowledge and tools for optimal health. Your story could inspire someone else to make a positive change, encouraging them to prioritize their well-being and embrace natural solutions. So, what do you think? Ready to give ashwagandha a try and experience the potential benefits for yourself? Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. On to the next energy booster. We have so much more to explore on our journey to natural vitality. Now let's talk about the fuel your body needs to thrive, vitamin B12. It's a crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked, but it plays a vital role in maintaining your overall health and well-being. We're going to dive deep into why B12 is so important and how you can ensure you're getting enough of it. B12 is essential for turning the food you eat into usable energy. Think of it as the spark plug in your engine, igniting the process that keeps you going throughout the day. It helps convert carbohydrates into glucose, which your body uses for fuel. Without enough B12, your body struggles to produce energy efficiently, and you'll likely feel sluggish, weak, and constantly fatigued. It's like trying to run a car on empty. It just won't work. This fatigue can impact every aspect of your life, from your work performance to your ability to enjoy your favorite activities. The tricky thing is, many people are low on B12 and don't even realize it. The symptoms can be subtle at first, often mistaken for stress or lack of sleep. This is why it's important to be aware of the potential signs of B12 deficiency and take steps to address it. B12 is naturally found mostly in animal products. Think of sources like clams, a surprisingly rich source of this vital nutrient. They're not just delicious, they're also packed with B12, beef liver, which is one of the most concentrated sources of B12 available. It might not be everyone's favorite, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and tuna, are excellent sources of B12 and also provide other essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs, a versatile and readily available source of B12. They're also a great source of protein and other essential vitamins and minerals. And dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. These are convenient and widely consumed sources of B12 for many people. If you're vegetarian or vegan, getting enough B12 can be a bit more challenging. You'll need to be diligent about looking for fortified foods like plant-based milks such as almond, soy, and oat milk are often fortified with B12 to help meet your daily needs. Always check the label to ensure it's fortified. Cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with B12 and other essential vitamins and minerals. This can be a convenient way to start your day with a boost of B12. Or nutritional yeast, a cheesy flavored ingredient that's a popular source of B12 for vegans. It can be sprinkled on pasta, salads, and other dishes to add flavor and nutrition. As we age, our bodies naturally absorb less B12 from food, making it more difficult to maintain adequate levels. This is due to changes in the digestive system that can affect B12 absorption. Because of this reduced absorption, supplements can be a smart choice for older adults, but it's always best to talk to your doctor if you're unsure about your B12 levels or whether supplementation is right for you. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and form of B12. B12 deficiency is a surprisingly common and often easily fixable cause of fatigue. Addressing a B12 deficiency can lead to a significant improvement in your energy levels and overall well-being. Adding B12-rich foods to your diet or taking a supplement can make a huge difference in your energy levels, mental focus, and even your mood. It's like giving your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best. It's not just about physical energy. B12 plays a much broader role in your overall health. B12 also plays a crucial role in supporting your brain function and maintaining a healthy nervous system. It helps with nerve cell communication and the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for mood regulation and cognitive function. Take a moment to think about your typical diet. How often do you consciously include B12-rich foods in your meals? Even small changes to your diet, like swapping in eggs for breakfast a few times a week, can make a positive impact on your B12 intake. Or consider adding nutritional yeast to your meals as a flavorful and nutritious way to boost your B12 levels, especially if you're following a plant-based diet. Remember, food is more than just fuel. It's also a source of vital information that your cells use to function properly. When you consistently give your body the nutrients it needs, including B12, you're setting the stage for optimal health and well-being. When your body is properly nourished, you'll likely feel sharper, more present, and more alive, allowing you to engage more fully in your daily life. If you're following a plant-based diet, it's especially important to check food labels carefully and get creative with incorporating fortified foods into your meals. Supplements can be a great option to ensure you're meeting your B12 needs, especially if you're not getting enough from your diet alone or if you have difficulty absorbing B12 from food. Do you have a favorite B12-rich recipe or a helpful tip for getting enough B12? Share it with us in the comments below. Your ideas and experiences could be incredibly valuable in helping someone else boost their energy levels and improve their overall health. Remember, maintaining adequate B12 levels is a fundamental step towards building a foundation for lasting energy and vitality. Pay close attention to what you eat and how different foods make you feel. This mindful approach to eating can help you identify which foods are truly nourishing your body and providing you with sustained energy. Think of food as medicine, a powerful tool that you can use to support your health and well-being. Make it work for you by choosing nutrient-rich foods that fuel your body and mind. Let's continue to support each other in making energizing choices and prioritizing our health. Together, we can create a community that values and promotes well-being. So what's your go-to B12 source? What are the foods or supplements that you rely on to maintain your B12 levels? Share your favorite B12 sources and tips in the comments below, and help us build our community's collective energy toolkit. Your insights could make a real difference in someone else's life. Next up, we'll be exploring a simple daily ritual that anyone can try to boost their energy and well-being. Let's keep going on this journey to unlock your full potential and live a more vibrant and energetic life. Now for something simple, yet surprisingly powerful. A tiny tweak to your morning routine that can have a ripple effect throughout your entire day. I'm talking about starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It's a practice that's been around for ages, and for good reason. It's incredibly easy to incorporate, remarkably affordable, and it can make a real noticeable difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Hydration is absolutely key. And the truth is, most of us are walking around far more dehydrated than we even realize. We underestimate how much our bodies crave and need water. And here's the kicker. Even mild dehydration, just a slight dip in your fluid levels, can cause significant fatigue, brain fog, and decreased performance. Drinking water first thing in the morning, before you even have your coffee, gently wakes up your body, rehydrates you after sleep, and gets every single cell in your body firing on all cylinders, ready to go. Now adding lemon to that water takes it to a whole new level. It gives you a lovely boost of vitamin C and provides a refreshing, invigorating scent that can instantly lift your spirits. The citrus aroma alone, that bright, zesty fragrance, can have a powerful effect, helping you feel more alert, focused, and genuinely ready to tackle the day ahead with confidence. Warm lemon water also gently wakes up your digestive system, preparing it for the day's meals. This can be incredibly beneficial, helping your body absorb all those vital nutrients from your food more efficiently. But beyond the physical benefits, this small ritual is also about mindfulness. Consciously choosing to start your day with intention, with a small act of self-care that sets a positive tone. It's a calming, nourishing way to intentionally set the tone for everything that follows, influencing your mood and your choices throughout the day. Plus, let's be honest, it makes drinking water a whole lot more enjoyable. The subtle citrus flavor is a welcome change from plain water, so you're far more likely to reach for that glass of water and stay properly hydrated throughout the entire day. Now let's be clear, it's not a magic fix, a miracle cure, all that will solve every problem. But it's a foundational habit, a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle that can support so many other positive changes. It's a simple act that supports and amplifies all your other healthy choices, making them easier to stick to and more effective. So I challenge you to try it for just 1 week. Warm water, the juice of half a fresh lemon, first thing in the morning before anything else, and really notice how you feel. Do you feel more alert? Is your digestion smoother? Do you feel more present and focused throughout the morning? Remember, wellness doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or overwhelming. Sometimes the simplest habits, the smallest tweaks to your routine, are actually the most powerful and sustainable in the long run. So, have you already tried incorporating lemon water into your morning routine? And if so, did you notice a positive difference in how you felt? I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below, because your story, your insights, could be exactly what someone else needs to hear to inspire them to make a positive change in their own life. Let's build each other up, support each other, and encourage each other on this journey to better health and well-being. It's all about taking those small, positive steps, one day at a time, one glass of lemon water at a time. Remember, progress, not perfection, is what truly matters. It's about consistently moving forward, making small improvements, and building healthy habits that last. So, start tomorrow morning with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water, and see for yourself just how powerfully it can change your day, one sip at a time. Small habits, big results. It's the accumulation of these small, consistent actions that leads to lasting transformation. Let's finish strong together. Today, we explored ashwagandha for stress, B12 for fuel, and lemon water for hydration. My hope is you feel empowered to try one new thing to boost your energy. Remember, you have the power to feel your best, one small step at a time. This journey is better together, so share your favorite natural energy boosters in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe, like, and join our community. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Take care of yourself and each other. See you next time.